Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Hazy Graphics. In this video I'll be teaching you how I extended this image using game Pixellab. So without any further ado, let's just go straight to the tutorial. If you just joined me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, put on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video here on YouTube. Okay, without any further ado, let's just go straight to the tutorial. Now this is the image. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll just try and extend the size so it's just going to fit in here. So this is the image size. So it's not a must you get this my image, but you can use it for any kind of image you want. So 520, 520, and 3280. So I will come here and I'm just lock them. So the next thing is you have to just duplicate this one. You can decide to, okay, let's just duplicate it twice. Let's copy it. It's copied already. It's copied already. So I'll duplicate it again. Wow, my phone is taking, I don't know why it's taking this long to copy. Alright, so this the two duplicate I made. So I'll come to eraser. So I'll come to this edge. So I'll just brush this edge. So those smooth edges, I brushed them. So once you're applying the brush, you can just be moving your hand. So I'll click on OK. Wow, I've done a mistake there. So I'll just come here. Okay, so I'll click on this check mark. I can still see some smooth edge there. So I'll increase it again, and no, it's still smooth. Now these are things you should just avoid. You don't want to make it too smooth. So maybe we can just leave it like this. Alright, so the next thing is one of those duplicates. Now let's say we want to increase this left side. So we'll just come here and increase this side. We'll come here and just, the reason I'm actually releasing, so raise that guy completely, the jog and everything. Alright, so I will now come here and clean also this side. Alright, so I have this. So when I now move my hand here, you can see it's kind of blending with my background. So let me just come here, use my relative position and now move it. Now you can see it is actually blending with the background, right? So I can just click on, I'll just lock it. I'll duplicate it again. Copy. I don't know why my copy is taking. It's because of the size of the image anyway. I'll come here also, use relative position, make sure it's there. Then I'll send it to the back. No, the one we just copied. No. Then we'll come to position, we'll move it. You can see like it's just spreading out. Okay, so I'll copy it again. Come to relative position. The reason I'm using relative position is just because for it to kind of blend with. So I'll take it to the back. So that's how you're just going to keep doing. We'll copy this one. I guess my phone memory is almost full. so I'll send it to the back. So now look at the kind of effect it's giving me. So but I'm still seeing some glitch around. It's giving me a kind of like a glitch, a feeling. Okay, this, I'll just duplicate this one, then I'll copy it. Subscribe to my channel if you just joined me for the first time. Put on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video here on YouTube. So you just have to be careful with it and patient, so you send it to the back. So we've succeeded in stretching out the other part. So I think, so this is the other one. This other one we didn't, oh, not this part. Okay, so it should be this one. Okay, guys, the problem I'm facing now is the real image which I worked on. I can't get it again. So you know what, I'm just going to, I think it's this one. I think it's this one. So I'll bring it to the front. Let me hide it. Alright, so what we're going to do here is just, I was just going to come here and copy this one. So we will just send it to this angle here, and we may just send it to the back. Alright, so it has actually answered. I think it has just copied that exact place. So it's just something like just applying our head. It's not something tedious. So remember, we hid one. Okay, so we hid one. Yeah, we got it correctly, spot on. So we'll just, now what we're going to do is also come to eraser and just erase all this side, including the area of the guys of his leg. Okay, so you also come to this side. Alright, so we'll get rid of those smooth edge. Alright, so this is what we done. So here we added to so still come here and erase. I'm seeing like a glitch on that guy's feet, so I want you to take away okay, so we can just keep this here. Alright, so now we have this, so I can now just copy it. Now it's just going to come here and erase that flower, the angle for the flower, so, and some part of this mountain. Now it's just, alright, so we've done that. I'm going to come here and stretch it, so I still need to erase that mountain. Alright, so I'll just, and also the cloud, so you've seen like that cloud is kind of missing. Alright, we've done it. So we've worked on this one. Now you can see it's kind of blending right with the image. So I'll just come here and copy. I guess I'm going to work on my Pixellab. I don't understand why I'll copy it again. It's taking that long to save, to copy. Yes, because my phone memory is almost out, and I think the image size too is kind of wild. Is high. Alright, so we are done. So I'll just come here and lock it. So the next thing I'll come to draw. So I'll just increase the blur, increase the pen size, then click on plus, click on this eyedropper to come to this image, then just click on either side, maybe here, and just click on OK. Click on this, just tap. You're not seeing anything just because it fits. Just you can move your hand there anyway. Just click on OK. You can see, or you can just come here and tap it where it will be visible, where you can see it. So you see I've actually covered that area with that tap. You can choose to send it to the back if you like. Voila, so this is it. We have succeeded in extending this image. Now, in case you don't like the feel or the vibe is giving you, let's just come with one of these first one. Let's copy it. Now remember one of those first one we did. So, and we will just come here and erase this sides. Just come here and erase one of these sides and just come here and start playing with it, just to hide some of this. You can see it's still kind of blending in right, but because of just those lines, and but we can still try and do it this way and get rid of those lines. Okay, so you can see, so that part you can just be adding something like that, just be duplicating it, keep on duplicating. You can just be duplicating, just because I don't know why my duplication is taking this while to copy. So you can just think it as duplicated. You can just be applying it somewhere on the image, just keep duplicating. You can still even take it somewhere around there, just keep duplicating to add a kind of realistic, a kind of different feel. So it's just going to keep, you can see it's just kind of, it's hiding. You can reduce the size, you can just keep it somewhere around there. You can see it's actually blending in with the image. Alright, so that's all for this particular tutorial. I guess I've showed you a lot, and you can just keep duplicating to all this make side that is making it feel like a glitch. You can just keep duplicating and just cover it and come up with any artistic work of your choice. So that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.